Hi guys, welcome to my Conscious Take YouTube channel. I realize that I have not been active at all. I've posted one video and I dipped. But I think I want to go a different route with the channel. And that's kind of because I've realized I don't have the habits and routines in place in order for me to consistently progress with the podcast. So I want this to be the journey of me gaining those habits, and this is me keeping myself accountable because I'm a weak. Because I'm a weak human being, and I keep falling back into my comfort zones and my degeneracy, and I'm not holding myself accountable. But here I am again. I keep coming back around. I think I want this channel to be vlogs, maybe sit down talks, my opinions still. But I want to create a community first. And then with that community, I want to then be doing podcasts so that I can actually talk to people who want to follow along with my mind and my words that I speak out of my mouth. Because some people won't like that, and that's okay. And I also want those opinions. If you disagree, yeah, tell me, I don't care. But in today's vlog, I'm just gonna keep it mellow. I'm gonna go to the gym. I may do a yoga class after the gym. I don't know, but I am gonna be running a lot, and I'm gonna clean, and I'll do cooking and laundry. Just satisfying videos, honestly, of someone getting their life together. Just kidding. I have my life together. I'm just like so OCD. Like I have to have everything done in order for me to do tasks that I want to. Like I have to have. I'm weird. I'm retraining my brain because I know I don't have to have those things done in order to do stuff, but my mind feels like I do. So I'm cutting that out right now. OCD is just you you having an untrained mind. Sorry about the coffee stains on the thing. But the reason I am so urgent to do this is because in today's society, I see everyone around me having so many issues that really aren't issues. I see so many people mentally ill, so many people suffering with crazy chronic diseases, cancer, the shitty food we have, the shitty healthcare we have. Like everything is just shitty. So I want to make my life as uplifting as possible so me seeing this around me doesn't drain me. Because I feel for people. And maybe this will also help a domino effect and help other people want to do better for themselves, and then we can just grow together and bounce off each other, and that's all I really want. If you're gonna make the world a better place, look at yourself and make a change. Cue the drill. my takeaway from the gym today kind of goes along with the book I read a couple months ago. It's called You Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. And in the book, he talks about, I believe it's the synthetic brain mode, if I remember. I don't think it's synthetic, but it's something else. It's some other name that your brain flips into. Whenever, for instance, say you're running a mile, right? And you've never ran a mile before. And say you're like 30 seconds in, and then all of a sudden your brain is telling you, I can't do this. Oh my God, this sucks. Oh my God, this sucks. I can't do it. I can't do it. You can. Literally, you have to override those thoughts with positive ones in order for your brain to kick up the adrenaline and kick up the energy to continue to go. Otherwise, it's going to be torture. It is literally mind over matter. Obviously, it's easier said than done, and it does get easier the more you do it. For instance, today it was not easy for me to do, but for a split seconds, right after I would change my thought process to a positive one, I would get that boost of adrenaline and continue to go and like just. He says in the book, you have to create like a thought bank. Shit that motivates you like no other. Like, for me, imagine like your crush is in the gym watching you. Imagine that and believe that when you're starting to feel out of breath or like you're gonna die. Because then that'll put a little pep in your step, right? Imagine the dream body of yours is waiting for you at the end of the mile. That'll get you fucking going, right? Imagine the best feeling of your life awaits for you at the end of the mile. Once you feel that feeling, you'll be able to chase it better, but if it's your first time running, then it's going to be hard to imagine what that amazing feeling is. It's called a runner's high, and basically it's just a sense of clarity and calmness that you receive from hardcore focusing on running, while also not having negative thoughts. Like, oh, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I want this to stop. Don't think that. Think this is amazing. This is nourishing my body. I'm so excited to be doing this. And over time, your brain will snap out of the negativity. Again, the hardest parts are starting. Even like any type of transition is hard for people. And even like small daily tasks, it's hard to transition, like from being lazy to going and doing something. But guess what I learned? An object in motion stays in motion. An object at rest stays at rest. So it's just that beginning stages of momentum that's hard. It'll get the ball rolling. Anywho, thanks for listening. Get in the gym today, guys. Come on.